What's going on, guys? So coming to you today with a video. Listen, I have already unboxed this and actually was gonna test it out and had it in the car and ran into a problem, and I'll tell you more about that here in just a minute. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the Solvtin multifunction jump starter. This is the model number S6. This one is rated for 400 amps with a peak current of 1200 amps. It comes in the box here, which, like I said, I've already had it out of the box, so I'm not going to get into that part of it. But we are going to open it up here. I'll let you take a quick look. It's got a padded divider in between it and the accessories. This is the actual jump starter. A little bit bigger than a cell phone, not by much. You can see the light indicator on here. This needs to be recharged where I ended up using it. We've got it. We've got a user manual for it here and a warranty card. That's pretty much standard when you get these things. We flip over here to the other side and I'm gonna pull the stuff out that come with it. You got a charging cable here. Actually, excuse me, this is a USB-C to USB-C. If you want to charge your phone or something to that extent, you have the ability to do so right here. There is also a 5, 9, 12 volt USB output here that you can charge your phone with. And then this one over here is 5 volts at 2.4 amps. So it's got enough amperage to charge like a small tablet or something to that extent. You could use this as a battery bank in your car if you wanted to do that. If you hold the button, you can turn the flashlight on, so it gives you that ability. You've got a SOS flash with it as well, and then the slow flash. Excuse me, the rapid flash was there. This is the SOS flash, and then it's off. That's the battery pack itself. Then you have the actual jump start pack. This right here plugs into the side of it. Well, if I plug it into the right side here. It's got these nice little rubber covers on them. They're pretty snug. I have a little bit of trouble getting them out, but not too bad. So we've got the ability that we plug this in, and the unit comes on, we plug it in. And then what you'll find right here is we have this boost button where we turn it on. That allows you to hook this up to a battery, which is going to bring me to the part of where I have already used this. This thing saved my bacon a couple of days ago. I had put this in the car with the intents of doing a review on it, unboxing and everything in the car itself, and hooking it up to the battery. But I didn't get any footage of it. But I went out to pick up some dinner and had the food. Everything was ready to go. I come out to the car, got in, put the key in the switch, hit it, nothing. The lights wouldn't come on. I didn't have any power. It was just blinking on the dash. So I pulled this out. It was fully charged at the time. I plugged this up, went out, hooked it to the battery, got in the car, hit the switch, boom, fired right up. And that's on a 2010 Kia Soul. It's a 4-cylinder car. Doesn't take a tremendous amount of amperage. I don't know that you're going to start a diesel truck with this, so let me say that up front. This is only 400 amps. You need a lot more than that to start a diesel truck, so you would have to look for one of these in a bigger version. Now, another feature that they've got here is this will do up to 10 amps right here on a cigarette lighter plug. So let's say, for example, you're at the lake and you got one of those pumps that plugs into your cigarette lighter. Well, you could pop that thing in here, turn this thing on, and you could pump up your floats, you know, something to that extent, or use a tire inflator, bicycle pump, something like that, to be able to utilize it outside of the vehicle. Then we flip on in here and we've got a charging cable here. It is USB-C. I got these two confused there a second ago, but this is the USB-C charging cable. So if you're like us and you have a Galaxy phone, you can use your phone charging cable just as well as this to charge your phone, but that is an in and an out. This type C, it's 18 watts that it can handle, and you can just plug it in, plug this into a USB wall wart, a block, a wall plug, cigarette lighter charger, whatever the case may be, and you can charge this back up. Now what I would think is, if you use this and you start your car and you need to recharge it, because if you cut your car off again, you might have to use it again to restart it. So just go ahead and take this thing and plug it into your phone charger, or plug your phone charger into it, or a USB port in your car. Plug that in, let it charge while you're driving. While you're driving down the road, this charges back up. That is everything that comes in this kit with this. Guys, I can't emphasize it enough. If you don't have one of these, I recommend getting the Solvtin. This one right here saved my bacon, hands down. Actually kept me from having to call somebody to come and jump me off because I didn't have a set of jumper cables. Saved our food from being ruined that I had just picked up at the restaurant. So it's definitely paid for itself, hands down. I'll put a link for this down in the description below so you can go and purchase these directly, take a look at it for yourself. Again, like I said, it comes in this case. It's kind of a semi-rigid case, so you can chunk this back in the back with your jack or whatever the case may be. It's protected in here and it's good to go. These do pretty well hold their charge for quite a while. You know, I would check it every oil change just to see what the battery level is. Maybe plug it up when I change my oil, let it charge, then put it back in the car. Just part of your vehicle maintenance routine. Include that in. But guys, listen, I appreciate y'all tuning in. We're going to be coming to you with more product videos, more informational videos, just all kinds of stuff across the board. So be sure and stick with us. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, tick that bell so you get notified when we release new videos. And as always, guys, we appreciate y'all tuning in.